And today, my guest is Lord Paper. He's not with me in the studio. We're going to be talking via Zoom. But if there's anything you want me to ask him, if you want to be part of the conversation directly, it's very, very simple. As I always say, social media. Send us messages at the hashtag MXChartShow. When you do that, it's easier to get the messages, to reply, to respond, and to stay as interactive as possible. So right now, we have the man Lord Paper via Zoom. Hello, 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 hello.
Hey, bro. What's
Yo,
up?
how long has it been, man,
Hello.
since we spoke? It's been so
It's been
long.
like 3 years,
Yeah,
3 years, right? Yeah.
yeah, man. I'm really happy
I
to
mean,
talk to you, man, because whenever I talk to you, it's all about positive energy. And within those 3 years, you've been working. You've been dropping songs back to back. You get a lot of support, airplay from your fans too, because they request your music. So we're going to talk about that, about the man Lord Paper and everything else, who he is behind the music, how it began, the journey so far. But first of all, man, how are you doing, Lord Paper? How are you doing, man?
yeah, really well. Like, I've been recording a lot lately. Yeah, basically. Charlie, right now, if you see there's still the highlight song of the year for me. So,
Oh,
I want to take it back. Yeah, so I want to take it back next year.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
that's
So
the,
let's.
yeah, that's,
I like the way we're
that's
kicking
big.
off the conversation.
What I'm working on.
I like the way we're kicking off the conversation. You felt like you've been robbed when it comes to that particular award. Is that how you feel?
Not, not, not robbed, but I feel like, yeah, the ticket for me.
Why,
Yeah,
why,
because
why do you think that's the case though? Because certain artists make good music, but when it comes to stuff like that, they say maybe they don't push the music enough. Why do you think that's the case?
yeah, I mean it's. I mean I'm not saying he doesn't deserve it. He does. His song is big and it's good as well, but I felt like that was mine. But I mean, yeah. So this year I want to work hard and take it next year.
Yeah,
That's what I'm working on now.
yeah.
Again, so as you can see, the song I dropped is highlights and basically that's what I'm working on right now.
One thing is, you just said rightly so you want to work hard this year, but the thing is, you've always been working hard. Do you feel like Lord Paper, the brand Lord Paper, is not appreciated enough by the music industry? Because you are working hard, man. You work very hard.
Last year I didn't really work hard because I only dropped one song first as a bunny, and luckily I got nominated for a few categories
Yeah,
with that song. I dropped just one song last year
yeah.
because of the COVID. Yeah, but this year I'm definitely working hard. I mean, real hard. Because
Do,
Charlie, for do something, if like there's been a challenge. That I don't really want to talk about it, but I really for win that award next year.
mm,
Otherwise, I will lose a lot.
yeah, I feel you. I feel you. But like I said earlier on, do you feel like the industry needs to show you more love? Do you feel like you deserve more love from the music industry? And the reason why I'm focusing on the industry is because your fans already love you. They support you. I appreciate your music, and you have a lot
Yes.
of people who support you.
I feel like I'm getting a lot of love because there are certain people who really love my sound. You see, I don't really do the party songs.
Yeah,
You get me? My song is more of you listen to it, more of if you listen and for feel them, it has a lot of emotions in there. It's not like the party song that you play everybody goes down for. You get me?
yeah,
So it takes people who really love that kind of sound to
yeah,
listen to your music. I have a lot of people who love me. They listen to my
yeah,
song. I dropped the song. I mean, like a few days ago, 3 days ago, and it's already almost 70K views. Just
yeah,
to tell you that, like, yeah, like people really love me right now. Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
they do.
They do. They do. I've been asking artists this question. A few artists I've spoken to, and the reason for this is because obviously it comes up in conversation. When it comes to artists, creatives, fans want to know what's going on. I think because of social media and the like, we've gone to a point where everything seems more transparent. And for someone who's been in the industry as long as you have, dropping songs, award-winning artists, I think it's right I ask you this: is it true, from your experience so far, that a lot of artists in this industry don't get as long as much. And do you think it's something we should work on necessarily?
Don't get as long. Like they don't stay relevant for long.
No, not relevancy. Artists not getting along with each other. Do you think that's an issue in the Ghanaian?
Oh, get along,
yeah.
get along.
Yeah.
Well, I can't speak for anyone else because me myself, like an isolated artist, be somewhere. Me, I'm always in my somewhere, in my zone. I don't really have friends in the industry. Just a few. Like if I'm here, just a few. You get me? And I don't really go out and all that. I don't really know people's personal issues. But to me, I don't really see that because I feel like the industry, there are circles. There are people like the Lynx people have their circles, RTBs have their circles, the Ground Up Boys have their circles, the Kumasi Boys have their circles. I believe it's circles, but there's the Shatter Movement too and Beam Nation, but I feel like there are some affiliations here and there. I don't really, getting along, I don't really, but I feel like they do get along. I don't know, but I'm speaking from me, what I know.
So do you have like your own circle, so to speak?
Me, I'm a solo circle. I'm my own solo vibes, Yeah, I'm just doing my thing.
Yeah, I get what you mean. And rightly so. You're being very honest because even though it's true that it seems like a lot of people have their circles, some fans might say that maybe that's what is hindering the industry. Do you think it might be a problem, or you think it doesn't really matter?
Well, everybody get in mind. You get me? And when it comes to collaborations, sometimes some circles don't really want to work with some circles. You get me? Maybe not necessarily the artist in question, right? But maybe the boss of that circle. Maybe Shatter Movement, you want to work with the artist there, but the boss of maybe let's say Lynx Entertainment doesn't want that to happen. Because of one, maybe their plan, their brand, their target, they all have what they want to do. You get me? Me, I don't go really feel. I feel like, to me, if we all go fit, because this game it's not even about one man winning. It's about all of us pushing it to the next level. Putting the whole country on the map. So if we come together, we push, it will go further. You get me? Because for example, I had, not right now, but before. Right now, they're in Pakistan and they do. But before, I had a couple of songs I believe would have been really big that I tried to feature some of these artists on, they didn't do. You get me? Just because probably maybe the circle they are in don't really,
they
they don't really relate to me.
Yeah.
You get me? So in that manner, I feel like it's going to definitely, because right now, maybe I go put for my mind inside and say, okay, you saw you do me, no problem. It will if I blow you the see. You get me? So if I get to a certain level and you or anybody from that circle comes to me for help in one way or the other, me, I will show you if I say, I can't, sorry. I will show you,
I feel you.
You must tell me about it. Right now, you can't look for my help. You get me? So that's the problem that I feel like. But
Lord, I get what you're saying, and it's true. With conversations like this, one thing I've also been saying very recently in my interviews is the honesty. We need this kind of feedback, so we can work on what the issue is, or if there even is an issue. So I appreciate your honesty. I appreciate you being so candid with me, of course. And one thing about you is you seem to be very, the word is very honest and open in your lyrics and how you've dealt with stuff, even behind the music, away from the music. Is this how you've always been? And is it difficult being so open with your fans and people with your music and being so emotional and raw when it comes to putting out creativity? Is it easy to do?
The line was very bad. I didn't really hear. You're talking about emotions in my music?
Yeah. So what I was saying is, we had a little glitch, but what I was saying is, when it comes to you, Lord Paper, you're very honest, right? You're very open when it comes to your music. away even from the music. You don't necessarily have a problem letting people know what you might be going through and expressing yourself. I just want to know, is this something that's difficult to do? Because now social media, there's always a negative connotation when it comes to putting stuff out there. So is this how you've always been when it comes to putting out your content?
I mean, me, I I put out content that are real. You get me? Like either I go through them or people go through them, and I say it the way they are. I don't really, filter it. I mean, I don't put in curse words, but I put like lyrics that you can relate to. Those are real lyrics that you go through relate to. And I mean, I don't really think I'm not a social media person, which is
Yeah.
very bad. I mean, it's not really helping me. I'm not a social media person. That's what I mean. Go to my Snap, my whatever. I don't really, which is very bad. Yeah. So I don't really follow people's comments and people's. I mean, me, I'm just doing my work.
Yeah.
If I put a song out, I'm not online. I'm not on social media. I'm just waiting for it to reach the targeted audience,
Yeah.
and I mean, do my magic, play some shows, all that.
Yeah.
That's basically what I'm doing. But I don't really think about what people they think, or I don't know if I've answered you.
Yeah. I definitely get because it's not easy dealing with negativity for a lot of people on social media. And again, with artists
I,
like
I,
you,
like, I, I don't really care. You get me? I don't really
I
care
like that.
about
I
your.
like that. I like that.
Because everybody get opinion. You
Yeah.
get me?
Yeah.
And so what show up? I separate me people. You get me? Maybe
Yeah.
like each and every person in this world get opinion.
Yeah.
So anything you do, definitely it will be good to this and it will be bad to this. And you have to strike your mind that what is good for you. This is good for me. I don't care about what this guy is thinking, what
Yeah.
this guy is thinking. You get me?
Yeah.
If it's good for me, yeah, I'm good to go.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I appreciate you, man. And again, being so candid with me. But all of this has led to your brand new music video, your new music. Tell us about this, man. Headache. What's the song about? Is it a personal song? Why did you feel like this was the right time to release this music, man?
Um, well, last year I was supposed to drop a couple of songs, but because of the COVID, I held on. But this year I'm dropping highlight project, like highlight project,
Yeah.
solid highlight project, and I just wanted to kick it off with something like this. I mean, I know they really do. I think my most giddy giddy song, fastest song is Akabone.
Yeah.
Yeah, but basically my songs are very cool. If I
Yeah.
listen up, if I mean, if I enjoy them, if I dig, yes, if I enjoy them,
Yeah.
I do music and yeah. So this year I'm focusing on highlights.
Mm.
The missing element. I feel like there's a missing element in highlights.
Yeah.
You get me? I mean, from the indigenous highlights to right now,
Yeah.
it's been diluted. I mean, we grow, we changes is nice, but I feel like uh, I need to bring that feel back.
Yeah, I feel you. I definitely get you. So we're definitely going to get into this music video. But you mentioned one word there, which was grow. Through your growth, I mean, there's been so many dynamics when it comes to your music, from the explicit stuff to the high life stuff to getting such a huge fan base, releasing amazing music, which we appreciate you so much for. As an artist, are you happy with the growth of the music and the fan base, Lord Paper?
Yeah, definitely. But I still feel like I need to reach a lot of people. I need to reach more people. I mean, it's way better than before.
Yeah.
I mean, before I was stereotyped. You get me? If I jump, if they don't care if it's good or bad, or this guy will do that.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
Right now, anywhere I go, they talk about the body or Asabone. You know what I mean? The conversation has changed,
Yeah.
and it's really good. Yeah, I'm reaching a lot of people, and I have like these are things that people don't even know. I have some in 24 fan base that are crazy, like some elderly people
Yeah.
who really love, yeah, like in 24 and in Fona, like that really love my sound because of the content, because
Yeah.
because of the
Yeah.
so I mean, I'll say I'm very proud of myself by right now, but I feel like this is just like the surface. I need to really reach
Yeah.
the people.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and you are, man. Lord, I appreciate you so much. Again, please keep bringing us good music. Your energy is on point. We know you're going to keep doing bigger, bigger things. So right now, the focus is Headache, right? That's the focus.
Yeah. I mean,
Okay.
yeah. I'll be dropping another song in 3 weeks. But
Yeah.
right now, let's just focus on Headache. Yeah.
Nice one, nice one. Charlie, thank you so much for talking to me again. Have an amazing weekend here at MX24 myself. We're going to continue to push your music, man, 100%.
I trust you, bro.
Nice
God
one,
bless
nice
you.
one,
Thanks for having me.
nice one. We're gonna talk, and God bless you. And yeah, Lord Paper, Vazoom. Again, when it comes to artistry and to music and being creative, trust me, it's not an easy thing being raw. When you look at these videos on social media, people going through heartbreak. You know, everyone goes through heartbreak, but it's very easy to laugh at people. That's just an example. You know, I'm sure my producers, you know, my co-workers, they've gone through their fair share of heartbreaks. And for someone to be as famous as Lord Paper is and to put stuff like that, you know, personal elements into his music is an incredible thing. And I'm pretty sure that's one reason why people even appreciate his sound and his creativity even more. So like I told them, here at MX24, we're definitely going to continue to support him, continue supporting his music and everything he does as an artist. And to prove that, this is his brand new music video. This is Headache right here on the MX Chart Show. Enjoy.